How to sign up for chess.com account on your Android. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to create a new account for your chess account, let's get started. Open any of your preferred browser and on the search bar, type in chess.com. Tap on the enter button and it'll load the official homepage. We need to now look at the top right corner. Tap on the first option which says sign up and it'll take you and redirect to another page. You can either choose to continue with Google account or your Apple ID. Choose your preferred way and it should take you to another page. Next up, choose the account that you want and then tap on continue to give permissions to Google. Once that is done, it will verify your Google account. Next up, we need to choose a username for the game. This is what your friends and other players will see when you play. Once that is done, tap on continue and if it is not available, you'll have to change the name. In the next page, you have to choose your sports theme. You can switch it any moment later as well. After that, you can choose how you want to connect to the friends to play chess with. Likewise, you'll see multiple pages in which you'll see the notifications and other free redeeming prices. If you want it, you can just tap on redeem or you could just skip this. Once you have chosen all the options, at the last, you'll be logged in into your chess account and start playing as well. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.